Welcome to this Watch It. We are going to be talking about return methods. Sometimes we need to get information back from our function or our method. And to do that, we use the keyword return. And return does exactly what it sounds like it's going to do. It returns a value. Let's open our Python IDL. We're going to move it to the side. Scroll down to your activity. We are going to create a user-defined method called qubit. Remember that you put in the keyword def. Then we're going to put in the name of the method. We are passing it a number that we want to cube. Put a colon at the end of that. Hit enter. You're going to put in your return and then put in what we want it to do. So we're going to return num times, make sure you put your times in there, times num. Hit return twice. We're going to call this method qubit, and I'm going to pass it the number 3 and hit enter, and it says 3 cubed is 27. Now, notice that in my return method, I did num times num times num. You could have defined it. I'm going to do another define. I'm going to name this qubit 2. I'm passing it a num. Make sure you put your colon. And in this one, I'm going to say total equals num times num times num. And then I'm going to return total. Now this allows me to create a variable, perform some calculations, and then return the variable. Either way works. Some people like being able to put the calculation in the return. Some people like to do their calculations and then return a variable after they're done. It's a coding preference. Once you become more comfortable coding, you can choose how you want to do it. So now if I call qubit 2 and I pass it 3 and I hit enter, I still get back 27. Now you are going to answer the check for understanding and move on to our next section where we will be talking about objects and classes. If you have any questions, just let me know.